PFAS, or forever chemicals as they're often called, have persisted their way into water, fish, air, soil, people, and animals all over the country. They've been linked to several serious health problems, including cancer. It's a widespread problem that's led many states to pursue legislation that would block their continued use. Minnesota's Amara's law, which was passed in 2023 and took effect at the beginning of 2025, is one of the most aggressive examples of pushing back against PFAS. The law bans all non-essential use of PFAS and requires manufacturers to disclose if PFAS are present in any products they plan to sell in Minnesota. Now a group representing the cookware industry, one of the key consumer products targeted by the law, has filed a lawsuit to block it. According to NPR, the Cookware Sustainability Alliance this week filed a complaint against Katrina Kessler, the commissioner of the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency. The CSA alleges that Amara's law is unconstitutional and unenforceable. Or as law professor Mehmet Konar Steenberg explained to the publication, the CSA is saying that the hassles this law will create for businesses greatly outweigh the potential health benefits. The CSA has been busy lately fighting off similar PFAS legislation in other states. In New York, the organization managed a carve-out for cookware from the state's PFAS bill after meeting with several members of the state's Senate and House of Representatives. In California, the CSA teamed up with the California Chamber of Commerce, the California Business Roundtable, the American Chemistry Council, and the California Manufacturing and Technology Association to fight off multiple attempts to ban cookware using PTFE, a subgroup of PFAS. It's unclear if the CSA will have the same success in Minnesota, but the MPCA sounded confident that the law would stand. It is estimated Minnesota taxpayers will have to spend $28 billion in the next 20 years to remove PFAS from wastewater and landfill leachate in the state. We simply cannot clean our way out of this problem, the group told NPR in a statement. I'm Ben Munson, and this is Manufacturing Now.